Hi guys, welcome to yet another fun episode of Baby Buys to get your dose of the best products for your lovely kids. Like always, we would be taking you through some amazing stuff and share all the details to help stay up to date with the latest launches in the market. Today we have a very versatile and useful product to keep your babies protected, a toddler mattress with a mosquito net. So let's check it out. This adorable pink set is made up of a toddler mattress and a mosquito net that is very attractive and useful product for every toddler. The net is supported by a strong and smooth plastic wire frame that makes it long lasting. It measures around 10 cm into 10 cm into 5 cm and weighs about around 500 grams. That makes it a very sturdy product to use and store. The bedding is of high quality cotton fiber, giving your baby the most comfortable and disturbance-free sleep. The mattress frame is made up of high quality plastic wire that is super light in weight, and a high tensile strength makes it a very durable product. It is very suitable for every baby right from the birth until they are 3 months old. The mosquito net bed is light in weight and is so easy to carry around that wherever you go, your baby goes with you. The mesh allows easy ventilation but is also tight enough to stop any mosquitoes from getting close to your baby, making it a very versatile and safe product. This is a very useful gift for every expecting mother and a toddler to keep the baby protected and comfortable. This product allows a super comfortable night sleep along with a safe and mosquito-free sleeping area for your baby. So all you mommies out there looking for the perfect comfort and protection for your lovely baby, do check this wonderful option. Now that's it for today guys, and see you again with some more such helpful products for your little ones. Till then, goodbye and take care.